the chronic propagandists and those people who believe in voodoo, because they are telling us that, I don't know, there was some 30,000 tons of, I don't know, fertilizer from where. I want to tell you, we have deployed about 280,000 tons of fertilizer, about 4.5 million bags by now. And prudently, using data, using technology, we have delivered fertilizer efficiently. And we have used science. We did a survey of all our soils, and we have distributed fertilizer that is scientifically tailored for all the soils in the various regions and for the different groups in the different regions using science, not voodoo. So those who are telling us that we have sold, I don't know, sand, or is it soils? I don't know, they have sold what. It's because they believe in voodoo, we believe in science. There are two different areas. And we will continue to make sure that we use data, we use technology, we use science to continue to deal with the challenges of making sure that we manage inflation. I am very proud that we are moving in this direction, and Governor, I encourage you and your team. You have our support. And the feedback I have given you, I will come back in a month. I have an undertaking from Lusa. Where is he? I thought I saw him.